Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 16. And problem number 16 is about to write a program to calculate the triangle area, then print it on the console screen. So how are we gonna calculate the triangle area? We will take half of the base size here, P, all right? So we will take the base divided by 2 to get the half of the base, like here area equal half of the base, and after that we multiply it with the height of triangle. Like that we calculate the triangle area. All right, let's say for example the user insert number 10 for the base and number 8 for the height. The output is should to be 80. So now let's go to Visual Studio to see how we're gonna convert this math into code on Visual Studio. Let's go to Visual Studio, please. All right, this is our solution on Visual Studio of the problem number 16. Is to calculate the triangle area, then print it on the console screen. How are we gonna solve this problem? First, we have read numbers. It's already our friends this procedure, so we know it already from previous problems. All right, so let's open it. What we have here in its parameters, first we have b, which is the base, represent like base or stand for base, and h is the height. All right, all of them by ref to use their values in a main function and other functions. All right, so we have here questions displayed for the console screen that exist under or inside the read the numbers procedure, like the previous problems exactly. It's already our friends as I said. Please enter triangle base area. B, please enter triangle height area. To take the base and divide it by 2 and multiply it with height later. So this is the read numbers procedure, and after that we have the same function. Sorry, I didn't change the name. Calculate, not rectangle, triangle. Calculate. I will show you here a move. Now, if I want to change the name of the function in whole the program, because if I change it here, it will stay same in the main function. For example, if I just delete this REC and I change it like this, triangle, I add just TR, the compiler will give me what? If I did Control Shift P, the compiler will give me error. Look here down, the compiler give me error. He told me the identifier calculate rectangular area is undefined, which means it does not exist, because I changed its name here above the main function. So to make sure that the name of the function change in whole your program, because today you just have 2 functions, you can catch it, or you can go down to the main function, see your function if it's changed its name or not. But tomorrow in future, when you have 100 functions in the main function, you call them, that you write them above the main function, you have to change the name of the function in this way. You click right mouse, and after that rename, and here you change it. You go, for example, from rectangle, you change it to triangle. All right, so calculate triangle area, apply, and it will apply in whole your program. The function that we change its name here above the main function, it changed also in the main function when we call it later. So let's open the calculate triangle area. In its parameter, it has b and h, base and height. It's from float data type. It just have these small lines of code. We define float data type. We declare area variable equal b, the base, divided by 2. We will take, for example, the b, the base size. We will divide it by 2. All this process inside the bracket to give it priority according to calculation priorities, to let the compiler first take the base size and divide by 2, and the result of this process of this math multiplied with the height. For example, if the user insert for the base number 10, so 5 multiply the height, for example 8. All right, and that's it will give us, for example, 40 the output. And after that we call area, return area, because it's function. And here in the print result procedure is same text. Also, I didn't change it from the previous problem. The triangle area is, and we call the area, it will print for us the triangle area. And here in the main function we define float and b and h variables, and we call the read numbers procedure, and within its parameters p and h. And after that we will call the triangle area by calculate triangle area function, and we will print the result. So let's do run to check it out together. All right, once we did run, the compiler display for us this question. Please in the triangle area base area, say it's 10. Please in the triangle height area h, let's say it's 8. The output should to be 40 as we saw it on the slides. Perfect, the triangle area is 40. So that was the problem number 16. It was about to calculate the triangle area, then print it on the console screen. See you next problem number 17 in next lesson. Ciao.